Hello all my crafty friends, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I have a card share that I want to show you guys. I do apologize for the glare. It's just been an odd day, so it's the only time that I get to do this quietly without a 2-year-old. So I'm going to show you guys what I made with the birthday, this one right here. The confetti, DCWV. I made a couple of cards, and so I just wanted to show you guys them really quick. This one right here, it just says have a happy day, and it just has 2 rosettes, and I kind of popped this one up. So I haven't finished it, but I will be making a couple more cards like that. So I have that. Then I have this Shout Hooray. This was part of the one of the cut aparts in the collection, and I just used my punch that I have in this Basher Strash homemade kit. I put this little balloon in there, and I just added these little twines and just different kind of textures to the bottom of the balloon. So there's that one, and then the inside just says let's eat cake. Here's another one, same thing, just different colors. I got these balloons from Hobby Lobby. Really cute, very dimensional. And then the inside just says add a little confetti to each day. This one right here says happy day, and I just cut out a banner, and then I used these really cool dots that I got from my friend. I will be making a video of everything that she gave to me. We did a little bit of a Happy Mail swap, and she gave me these, and I thought that they were so cute, and they matched the collection so well. So I believe she calls these candies. So I did that, and then this one just says sprinkled with love. Here's another happy day. Not my favorite. I tried to pop this banner up and use some twine, but you can't really see it that well. So not my favorite one, but it is still cute, and it says toss the confetti and shout hooray. And then I have this. This one is probably my favorite out of all of them. I have an Instagram post for this one, so if you are interested in following me on Instagram, I do post my pictures and my layouts there. And here it just says happy birthday. It is kind of pop dotted up, but I love this little, I love just everything about this one. I pop dotted it up, and I just added some of those little confettis, some ribbon, and a really cute rosette with today is perfect. Ooh, I gotta stick that down a little bit more. So yes, I love it. It turned out so cute. And then I did the same one, but I opened it up this way, and it just says happy birthday. And this is actually pop dotted up, and I just added some little gold gems. I have a whole bunch of them from Hobby Lobby. So I added those with the candies, and then I just added this little yay and a rosette. And the yay is just from my stash. I put together, if you haven't seen it, I will link it down below, what I have in this birthday theme stash. So that is that one. And then the last 2 I have are kind of the same. It just says let's have a party. I cut these little celebrate, and I believe there was another one, but I'm not sure, out of the one of the cut aparts in there. I added some of these little gold gems, and then I added a pom-pom that is from the Snow and Cocoa collection, and I just did a simple rosette out of papers that were left over. And then this one I just simply put happy birthday. because the background was just so busy that I just didn't know what to put on it. So I put happy birthday on that one. And then this one right here is kind of the same. The only thing I did change was the inside. So this one just says hooray. And then there's just like some space so I can write. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love how these turned out. Probably some of my favorite cards that I have made. And I will be so excited to be giving these to family, friends, for their birthdays. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!